This backside saw is enough for what I have to do. The only problem is to find enough good blades. For you it's 1 second, but for me it's 7 or 8 months that I stopped to work on the Jaguar because of health problem for my wife. But thanks, she's okay now. So come with me, we come back to work. Well, not bad. After 8 months, I still have a little hand. I did a paper template from the opposite side to have the best inner sill shape possible. The hole patches I cut from this area are really destroyed, so I cannot use them as a reference, you understand? The only usable old patch I still have is that one. Now I will finish this patch. I have to grind here to make it straight. I will weld on this place, you can see here, up so you can see, like this. And I have to fold, of course, to follow this line. Well, if I was a good guy, I would remake this piece of metal to include this missing patch here, but I'm not a good guy, so I will just finish to set this one, and finally I will include the patch here. I will set nicely when everything is welded. I told me I will follow the last cut to make the new, because it's complicated to cut straight following here from inside the car. Too narrow, I cannot see well, it's blur. So I told me I will follow the previous cut, but I have to be careful now. It's the fold, because there is a fold going inside the inner sill to attach the floor panel after, so I have really to be careful to respect the gap between this edge and the start of the fold. I have only one left to do it. Well, not so bad. I just have to finish the adjustment here because there is a fold. It's really difficult for me to make this patch because I don't have the whole parts, so I cannot use the form. Honestly, I don't like to work like that, but no choice than to make a patch after patch. I'm done. It's almost ready to weld. Some adjustment, of course, but globally I'm not unhappy regarding the fog I was before when I started to think about how to repair. As you can see, there is a small hole, but I will fix that when everything is welded. I will adjust the fitment. I feel good. Honestly, I feel good because it was for me the most difficult repair in this side. For the rest, I think I can handle a bit easily. Next step, I will weld everything here. I will repair the outer seal, weld it, make a new piece of metal here, welded, and then after I can go inside to make the floor panel. Yesterday with my wife we did some try and we got good results, as you can see, and I really thought that I can reproduce that on, on my welding today, and honestly it's not so good. Sorry I did not film because it's really not practical in this position. I welded my second patch. I'm not so satisfied, but I cannot do better. Not bad for that kind of place to weld. Allez, retry. Well, I need some little adjustment here. I'm going to bring this straight and it's ready to weld. Allez, c'est parti. I was searching for long the best position to weld this section. It's a nightmare to weld here. Ah merde! Ah bon! Sorry guys, I did not film so much because it was a difficult area to weld, but I got it. I'm happy. I'm using the whole piece of metal to have a main template to keep something strong to put the tape. Now I must fold like that, and this one like that. There's many adjustments. I must to fix this section. I must to fold here. I must to fold here. And here I must to find a way to reduce the gap. Need more settings on this place. I must to cut following a little, but globally it's okay. From inside, I will not weld completely now, just some spot weld here and there to hold very well, because I want to do the floor panel first, at least the shape. I don't know exactly how to make the junction between the inner sill, this piece, and the floor panel. So I will let like that, and I will weld definitively after. And now I have to finish the outer sill and the parts of metal here. I did this pattern in case of only. I will fold a little. I will make the curve here. As I saw on the original parts, this famous curve does not go until the end. I will cut after following the original template, weld, and finally I will make the edge after. The welding started well until I make many holes. Putain. But the settings was at the minimum. I thought too late that it would be really better to make the welding by inside. Caca boudin. I will finish this episode 9 here because I think most of you fell asleep already. No, much more seriously, I cannot weld because it's so windy here, and for 2 days again. In the episode 10 I will spot the weld here and there to maintain this piece of metal and the inner seal. Like that I can work on the floor panel, and finally when everything will be really well set, I will weld definitively everything. Guys, stay tuned because in episode 11 I have to remove the engine because as you can see there is some rust here and I cannot access well. I think it will be a funny job, but I like already. So thanks for watching, see you in next episode, and if you're on holiday, enjoy. Bye bye.